Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a recipe for you. This is a lip balm using orange peels. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make lip balm, you always have to have a wax, and in this case I have used beeswax. That is the most important ingredient of any lip balms. Beeswax is easily available online. I have purchased these shreddings of the wax, and it has all the properties which would nourish your lips and keep it soft and supple. The other ingredients would be some carrier oils or some thin oils. Since I'm making orange lip balm, I have used this orange oil which I recently made. It contains vitamin C, therefore it's a vitamin C lip balm. To add to the nourishment of this lip balm, I've used a vitamin E oil. It also has moisturizing properties. It can keep your lips soft and supple. Again, a little bit of olive oil. All these oils are something which I prefer. You can use any oil of your choice with the beeswax. Even just coconut oil will do. And to have that orange flavor into the lip balm, I am just using orange peel powder, which again acts as a vitamin C for the lip balm. So to make the lip balm, I have taken a thick bottomed bowl so that I can use it in a double boiler method. To just one small pot of lip balm, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of the beeswax, and I'm going to add in all those carrier oils, a few drops of vitamin E, half a teaspoon of olive oil. If you are using coconut oil, you can use that also, and the orange oil which I made but I couldn't record that, and this 1 teaspoon of the orange peel powder. And you need just a small pot which is cleanly washed and sterilized, so a dry pot would do. So to make the lip balm, all you need is a double boiler method where I have placed this pan. If you have a water bath, even that would do. I am going to place the bowl with thick bottom bowl where I have added all the ingredients. In a low flame, I am going to melt the beeswax. It takes just 2 to 3 minutes to melt all this, and you should be very careful not to burn it. I did just you need to put off after 2 minutes in the same heat. This will all turn to become soft, a very good oil or a very good base for the lip balm. So here the melted lip balm is ready, and I'm going to strain it into a strainer. You should be very quick in doing all this. Once if it cools, then it starts to harden in the bowl itself, and pour it back into the pot which you have just taken. Even if you have a roller lip balm, you can put it into that, and this is easily it will cool down and become hard. You can carry it in your handbags whenever you go out. The reason I have made a little bit thick is because I need to put it into the handbag, and during summers this will start melting. Therefore I have made it a little bit hard. If you wish to make it a little more softer, you have to reduce the quantity of the lip balm. So use this lip balm on your lips and see how it works. It is very easy to make, cost effective, and this can last long since it is only oils. You can store it for a long time. Very inexpensive, and it works very well on all types of lips. So try this and see and how it works. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for